If you think riding at 201 watts triggers a completely different physiological response than riding at 199 watts, you are fundamentally misunderstanding human biology. We treat training zones like light switches. Click, you're aerobic. Click, you're anaerobic. But look at a real lactate curve. It is a slope, not a staircase. Your mitochondria do not have a hard cutoff at 76% of FTP. Metabolic stress is a continuum. Yet, we have a war between models. Dr. Andy Coggan gave us the classic 7 levels based on FTP percentages for precise prescription. Dr. Stephen Seiler argues for just 3, anchored by biological thresholds LT1 and LT2. Who is right? Here is the trap that catches experts. The 7-zone model assumes your anaerobic capacity scales perfectly with your FTP. It doesn't. 2 riders with a 300W FTP can have vastly different power at 1 minute. If you follow a fixed percentage for Zone 6, one of you is undertraining and the other is failing. This is why modern software introduced iLevels. Instead of arbitrary percentages above threshold, they use your actual power duration curve. Above FTP, your zones must be based on what you can actually do, not a spreadsheet formula from the 1990s. So do we toss the 7 zones? No. Here is the winning protocol. Use Seiler's 3 zones for season planning to ensure polarization. 80% easy, 20% hard. But use Coggan's specific zones for workout execution to target specific energy systems. Finally, stop stressing the edges. Training adaptations happen on a bell curve. Being 2 watts too high in Zone 2 doesn't ruin the ride. Consistency beats precision. If you are exhausted, drop a zone. If you are fresh, push the top end. Biology is analog. Only your bike computer is digital.